So this is just to show you how I installed my Tunze Osmolator top-off kit. So there it is right there in the back. See, I carved it out a little bit to make it higher because I wanted the water level higher. So I carved it out a little bit. I got some water in, I was filling this up. I got some water inside the little controller here. So I wanted to make sure it dried out, so I unplugged it, and now I'm going to plug it back in. It's been dry for about 12 hours now. So we're going to plug it back in. Here's the line that goes to the oscillator. Goes right here, goes up in here. Then you got the wire for the pump, and you also got the tubing, the 1/4-inch tubing that's going to come out on the top from the pump that is going to be pumping out the water. So here's about how I have the Nano one. So just to mind you, I do have the Nano one. This is how fast mine comes out, so you can see it. There we go. There, that's what the flow looks like, so you can see it. Now I noticed that it does have an automatic shut off. If it's running for like 2-3 minutes straight, it does shut off, which is kind of cool. So I guess so it doesn't overflow the tank, I'm guessing. So that's a pretty cool little programming that they put inside the controller. I'm pretty impressed by that. This one might stop, I'm not sure. Then you could see how long it takes to stop. So it's still going right now. Like I said, I had it off for about 12 hours. Yeah, I had mine unplugged for about, no, longer than that. Almost 24 hours. Not 12, almost 24 hours. So. Alright, it's still flowing out. I gotta make sure I test my salinity after all this water pumping in there. Alright, so it stopped, but I think it stopped prematurely. So now you saw how long it runs, because see the line right here, you can see my finger. So it did not fill up all the way. So you just saw that complete cycle, and you could see when it turns off, how many minutes it takes before it turns off. What was that, like 2 minutes it was running for, then it turned off? So that was pretty long. And that's for the Nano. And then that's, like I said, as a safety precaution, so it doesn't overflow all over onto the floor while you're out and about. Alright, so that's just an updated review on the Tunze on my 40-gallon breeder, so you can see exactly what it looks like if you're going to have the same setup or something similar. You can have this, get an idea from my setup, and if this works for you, or maybe you can come up with a different idea that maybe you can, install it in a way that it'll be creative and work with your environment. So, alright, thanks everybody for watching. Glenn Velvet Reviews is out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.